Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Remitly application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your phone number with your account on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can tap on the Manage icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Profile. And now inside your profile information page, you can find your phone number. Tap on the Add button, and then you can choose your country code and then enter your phone number. Then tap on the Save button, and now your phone number has successfully been added to your account. If you wish to change this in the future, you can come back to the same menu and tap on the Edit button to change your phone number once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your phone number to your Remitly account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.